I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up for Instacart with Chase Sapphire. First, visit the Instacart Plus enrollment page, which is instacart.com/chase. Then, log into your Instacart account or create a new one. Next, add your eligible Chase Sapphire card as the default payment method. Click Activate Now to enroll in the complimentary Instacart Plus membership. Next, enjoy 6 months of Instacart Plus benefits with your Sapphire Preferred or Sapphire card. Earn up to $15 in quarterly statement credits on eligible Instacart purchases throughout the offer. Now monitor your credits by checking your Chase account statements. Set a reminder to cancel if you do not wish to continue after the free period. Continue enjoying Instacart Plus perks like free delivery and reduced service fee.